Well, 26 football players have been quarantined after a case of COVID-19 in Beacon Falls.
And they all attend Woodland Regional High School. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Shante Passmore is there tonight. Shante, who tested positive?
Mark and Aaron, an assistant coach, is the one who tested positive for COVID-19. Tonight we're learning the players' test results came back negative, but they are still under quarantine. Regional School District 16 is dealing with its first COVID-19 case. On Friday, an assistant football coach at Woodland Regional High School notified the district he caught the virus.
At that point, we had a collective meeting, and we informed all the players and their parents that those kids would have to be quarantined for 14 days.
Fast forward, Eyewitness News learned that 26 players in one of two cohorts do not have COVID-19, but are self-isolating despite the test results. Meanwhile, the other half of the team remains fine. The district says the cohorts conditioned after school while wearing masks and social distancing.
He was not in any other part of the building, and there were no other kids in the school. So it was a good scenario if you're going to have one.
The case comes at a time when there are concerns over whether high school football teams should be allowed to play in the fall, based on recommendations by state public health officials. The CIAC is now allowing games to be played in an alternative season next year.
It can spread so easily, and I know they love the game so much, but you also have to think about yourself and your own safety.
However, some parents say as long as districts have a game plan and parents are aware, football players should be allowed to play.
I think kids need to be able to be with other kids, and their activities, that's their activity.
The CIAC says Woodland Regional High's report is not raising alarms since it doesn't change the response a school would have had it been a teacher, saying sports are no different. Schools would still have to isolate and test any affected cohort. And not related to the high school, but we did learn the district is planning to have all of its middle schoolers return to in-person learning starting Monday. The district also says that none of its teaching staff members have tested positive at any of its schools. Live from Beacon Falls tonight, Shante Passmore, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.